Today, we're going to take a look at a fairly flashy yet capable watch in the Bulova Marine Star Automatic, model number 98A272. This will be the very first time that a Bulova branded watch has appeared on the Watch Depot channel, and what a watch to open up the brand with. This watch has it all, featuring an open heart dial that gives a peek into the automatic movement, Roman numerals at all the hour markings apart from the Bulova tuning fork logo at 12, and of course this stunning black and gold theme. A rounded octagonal case shape gives a really strong appearance, which is accentuated by these 6 screws that find themselves in the brushed stainless steel bezel. It is a pretty big watch with measurements like 45mm in diameter and 13mm in thickness. However, I think for a watch that appears like this, it's neither unexpected nor over the top. Since this is a Marine Star branded watch, there's 200 meters of water resistance as noted on the dial. Now, taking a closer look at the dial, you can see some beautiful details. Take for instance the textured pattern that tracks around the outside of the dial and reminds me of a fluted bezel that you'd find on a Rolex. The open heart aperture is accompanied by a seconds dial, and overall this is a great looking watch. There's just enough glitz to catch your eye, but I don't think it goes overboard with it. Of course, black and gold is a very striking color combination and it is flashy, but I can't help but enjoy looking at this piece. It's put together well too. It's nice and solid, the silicone band feels high quality and it's actually quite thick, and the finishings are of a really high standard. On the other side of the watch, we do get a nice look into the Miyota movement through an exhibition caseback. I also really like the red underside to the silicone band, which happens to match the second hand. I don't know about you guys, but I think the Bulova Marine Star brand in itself is amazing, and this watch in particular looks great. The brand has good legacy that dates back to the early 20th century, and Bulova watches were actually mounted on Apollo 11, which is the first manned spacecraft to land on the moon. So with all that said, would you wear this watch? Let me know in the comments down below, and make sure to like and subscribe for more watch content. If you really like this watch, go ahead and click the link in the description to buy it online at watchdepot.com.au. Thanks for watching.